Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite someone to Venmo. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to invite someone to Venmo so that they can get a small bonus. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what you're going to do is that you're going to click on your Venmo, log in, and then on the bottom right hand side, you want to click on the Me option. Next, you want to go ahead and scroll down, and then once you're on this page, you want to click on Share Venmo with Friends. So once you're here, you can see that the promotion that Venmo is running is that you're going to earn $5 for each friend who sends $5 from a linked payment method within 14 days of the invite. Click on Share Link and then click on Copy. Now once you do that, let me hop on over to my notepad and show you what we've copied. So if I copy and paste the link here, you'll see that this is the message that includes my referral link, which is the getvenmo.com and all those letters. So go ahead and send that to any friends or family that you want to invite to Venmo. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and invite someone to Venmo. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.